Alright, so good day sa lahat ng mga kuya at ate. For this video tutorial is for on how to input and officers. So you need to log in the secretary's account and then select officers. For example, and then click this one, create, then select the name of the officers. For example, if you need to put a name or a last name, for example, and then click this select and category club position. So what position? So me, I am a club secretary, and then click save. So pag click nyo ng save, automatic po yan, lahat ng mga member na under sa yung club, pag nag print kayo ng Eagles ID form, automatic po siya lalagay yung kung ano yung president for the Eagle year. So automatic na yon. And then also sa member, automatic na din siya lalagay dito sa club president. If kuya and ate, automatic din pag nilagay yung officers doon sa mga ate. Chairman membership, automatic yun. Pag si vice president, automatic siya yung chairman membership committee. And then you can see your you can view your officers list. Click the officers button and select, for example, let's see the Eagles Club for the year Eagle year 2024. So these are the list of the officers of the club. So if you want to see in the printout form, so this is the printout form for the officers. Alright, so kung meron po kayong katanungan, direct PM na lang po sa akin or chat sa Facebook page natin. And good day sa lahat and mabuhay ang Agila.